Hey everybody, welcome to Top Tech, and today we'll be showing you how to remove any noise or humming you have in your audio file using Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so let's dive in. First things first, we want to make sure you obliterate the like button and make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already in. Thank you all so much that are subscribed for the support. Helps the YouTube algorithm, and yeah, let's dive into the removing the audio now. All right, so first things first, we're going to be using a tool called DeNoise in the audio effect portion. It's already embedded in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So first thing is you want to make sure that you are in the effect view, and that kind of gives you more access to the effect controls and like just kind of makes your screen easier to add effects. So once we're there, we're going to go into the effect search and we're going to type in DeNoise. See, pops up right away. Now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and grab it, and you just drag it in over to the audio file. As you can see, I have A1 and A2 because I recorded in stereo. Stereo meaning there's two audio files, but it's already synced together. So if you haven't seen the video on how to sync your audio file, I have that video and I'm going to beautifully put it right there for you. So click on that and you can check on how to sync your audio using Adobe Premiere Pro. So now that I dragged my effect over into the audio file, I'm going to go ahead and adjust the levels of the actual denoise effect in the individual parameters. And this is the amount the effect will be used on that track. Now, this does vary per audio equipment and for room, so you will have to mess around with it to see what is the appropriate settings for you. So mine is 75%, so I'm just going to take it up there, and that's on audio 2, so I'm going to go ahead and do it for the audio 1 as well. 75. Boom. Good to go. So now I'm going to actually show you the difference with it on and off. So there it is. I'm going to turn it off for you, and you have this noise. Is the level moving on there? You hear? Okay, it is. All right, good. It's like kind of even sounds like a truck may have been backing up or something. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that denoise on, and then you guys can see the difference. On the camera too? Yeah. See, the audio sounds as if the audio sounds as if the subject is directly on the microphone speaking. There's no humming or hissing in the background. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to obliterate the like button, smash it, whatever you decide to do. It helps the YouTube algorithm and helps me out. So thank you very much for that. And hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any future videos like this. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.